Welcome to today's channel. We will explore together the beautiful beaches of the paradise island of Miami. Miami is a vibrant, sunny city with plenty to do. One of the best ways to experience all that Miami has to offer is to explore its sandbars and boat parties. Whether you're a local or a tourist, there's something for everyone on the water. If you're looking for a fun and exciting way to spend the day, hop on a boat for a cruise along the Miami River. The Miami River is one of the most popular waterways in Miami, with dozens of boats cruising up and down the river every day. Here are some of the top sandbars and boat parties for the perfect selection. 1. Haulover Sandbar. This sandbar is one of the most popular in Miami, thanks to its crystal clear waters and easy access by boat. It's the perfect spot for swimming, sunbathing, and picnicking. 2. Monument Island. This small island is located just off the coast of Miami Beach and is the perfect spot for a private party. Rent a boat or yacht and spend the day lounging on the island's sandy shores. 3. The Playpen. This popular sandbar is located in Biscayne Bay and is home to some of the best boat parties in Miami. With its crystal clear waters and stunning views of the city skyline, it's the perfect place to spend a summer day. 4. Nixon Sandbar. This sandbar is one of the most secluded in Miami and is only accessible by boat. It's the perfect spot for a romantic picnic or a private getaway with friends. 5. Elliott Key. Located in Biscayne National Park, Elliott Key is a popular destination for boaters in Miami. With its sandy beaches and crystal clear waters, it's the perfect spot for snorkeling, swimming, or just relaxing in the sun. No matter which sandbar or boat party you choose, you're sure to have a great time on the water in Miami. So grab your swimsuit, sunscreen, and some friends, and get ready for a day of fun in the sun. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这个时候就是为了迎合主流群体们的感受，我能为主的做的路线却只能到这里的兜。这首风格其实比较黑暗，比较 underground， 希望我们的风格也能够在地面上行走，一路在走，跌跌撞撞，拼拼斗斗，却从来没有被停留。但我也在他心里，难怪属于我们。Body get low， 这样的调子好像爱逼真接受，就是那属于我们的地下安着的城。Do you like it? Yeah, do you like it? Yeah， 试着让这音乐包围你这感觉。Do you like it? Yeah， 感觉。Do you like it? Yeah, do you like it? Yeah， 就让我们再次回到那个年代。Do you like it? Yeah， 这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这个时候就是为了迎合主流群体们的感受，我能为主的做的路线却只能到这里的兜。这首风格其实比较黑暗，比较 underground， 希望我们的风格也能够在地面上行走，一路在走，跌跌撞撞，拼拼斗斗，却从来没有被停留。但我也在他心里，难怪属于我们。Body get low， 这样的调子好像爱逼真接受，就是那属于我们的地下安着的城。Do you like it? Yeah, do you like it? Yeah， 试着让这音乐包围你这感觉。Do you like it? Yeah， 感觉。Do you like it? Yeah， do you like it? Yeah， 就让我们再次回到那个年代。Do you like it? Yeah， 这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 去，走下去，走下去。旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这时候就是为了迎合主流群体们的感受，我能为主人做的路线却只能到这里的兜。这首风格的其实比较黑暗，比较 underground， 希望我们的风格也能够在地面上行走，一路在走，跌跌撞撞，停停走走，却从来没有被停留。我也在他心里，难怪属于我们。Body get low， 这样的调子好像爱逼真天生，就是那属于我们的地下安着的称号。Do you like it? Yeah, do you like it? Yeah， 试着让这音乐包围你这感觉。Do you like it? Yeah， 感觉。Do you like it? Yeah, do you like it? Yeah， 就让我们再次回到那个年代。Do you like it? Yeah， 这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在